Welcome to SwiftLead, the top automation tool for connecting directly with hiring managers. Let's get started. First, you'll want to create your user account by entering your credentials, then click Sign Up. You'll be directed to the subscription page where you'll choose the plan that works best for you. Click Subscribe, then OK to proceed to the payment options. Select your payment type, enter your information, and congratulations! You're now ready to start landing interviews faster with SwiftLead. You'll then be taken to the SwiftLead dashboard where you can see all of your account information. Scroll to the bottom and select Download Extension. Next, add the extension by selecting Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. Once added, pin the extension for easy access so you can launch SwiftLead with one click. After you've installed the extension, sign into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the Jobs page. Click the SwiftLeads extension at the top of your screen. Sign in with your credentials and you'll see a box pop up at the bottom of the screen. This is where your job search automation begins. Watch as SwiftLead works for you, scanning job postings and finding decision-maker profiles that you can message for free. No more waiting on recruiters, no more ignored applications. With SwiftLead, you connect directly with the people who make hiring decisions. There's no limit to how many open profiles you can find. Watch your numbers skyrocket as SwiftLead's automation continues. Once you've reached the last job, you'll see a confirmation box letting you know it's time to begin a new search. Click OK and you'll be taken directly back to your SwiftLead dashboard. You will see all the people you're able to message for free, along with their company and information, as well as the date the data was pulled. No more wondering if your resume was ever seen. Now you have direct access to hiring managers. Do your research, personalize your outreach, and take control of your job search. Go to the job posters page and let them know you're interested in their open position and excited to work with their company. Stop waiting in line of hundreds of other applicants when you can go straight to the front. Find your dream job faster. Sign up with SwiftLead today.